G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast Cars. In today's video we're going to have a look at this 132 scale. This is the first 132 scale tractor that I have in my collection. It's a MF65 series, which are Massey Ferguson. I'll just show you the outside of the box. MasseyFerguson.com, born to farm. We're a very popular tractor. Picture on the back of the box. Doing some square bales. And then a bit of information on the bottom there. And yeah, it's from Universal Hobbies. Recommended for ages 14 and over due to the small parts. Alright, so this will be interesting. Yeah, as I said, the first one in my collection. I will have one of these at the time of filming on my eBay page. May be there, it may not be there, I don't know. So let's get this out and have a look. Sort of interested to see what the details are going to be like. It's looking pretty good so far. So it is on a plastic base, so you could just leave it on the base if you wanted to, because it does say what it is, the Massey Ferguson 65. Also says it up here on the bonnet there, Massey Ferguson 65. So we can take it off, which I will take it off. It's got a good picture in the background there of a field. And what have we got? Just a normal Phillips head. Okay, that's off the base there now. One of those screws were a little bit difficult to get off, a bit firm in there. Very small heads. And I am also filming on a new camera too. Well, not a new camera, a new phone. It's a Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first time sort of using it. I did need to get another phone as I dropped my other one in the bath. I didn't like it, but and then I went and bought this new Google phone, and then my other one started working again, so I've gone back to using the old Samsung. But I think the camera on this Google Pixel should be a little bit better. Alright, so I guess we've got to be a little bit careful with these. Small parts, especially around this 3-link here. We have some little chain. Now it looks like this steering does move, but oh no, hang on. No. No. Sort of. No, because if that's... No, it's not gonna... Yeah, no. No, the steering doesn't move. Look, it looks like it. It should. Yeah, I think this camera is a lot better. It's focusing up close there, which is really good. So yeah, it's first time looking at this tractor, so I'm just I guess basically having a bit of a look really. Yeah, so no, because that doesn't move there, and that's right. So at the moment I'm going to say no, that steering doesn't move. Good if it did. It Yeah. Rolls fine. Do have a steering wheel. Okay, that steering wheel does. The steering wheel, oh, you know, I'm not even in focus in the same thing, can't even see it. Steering wheel does move. Can turn that. Does the 3-link move here? Yes, it is. Does move. Again, it's all, looks like it's all screwed in. I'm not going to go playing with it, but there is, you know, enough detail there. We have the chain hanging down. We've got our top bar for the 3-link, which would hook onto your whatever appliance you're using. So yeah, there is a bit of movement there. So I think it does move, but the screws are done up reasonably tight. And I don't want to mess with it. I don't really need it to move. We've got a light here, work light, and you can even see on the dashboard here some little instruments there. We have a lever up here, silver, rubber tyres. You can see all the engine detail. And the Massey Ferguson 65. We've got our gear levers here. The black knobs on the end of them. The grill detail looks pretty good up here. And we've got two headlights. And I'd say that there would be Massey Ferguson up there. A little exhaust pipe up here, a little muffler. And the end of it is hollowed, and it does have a little bit of black inside there, so that looks alright. Steps here, and motor, gearbox. I think that looks pretty good. So yeah, first tractor for me. I may get a couple more. We'll see what happens. Actually, well, I do have a few other tractors, 143 scale, but this is the first 132 scale. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, I'll stick that on the turntable. All right. So that is the MF65 Massey Ferguson Universal Hobbies 132 scale. There will be one on my eBay page for sale. Alrighty. Check out the other videos popping up on the screen. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Alright, bye for now.